ProLift machinery eye bolts. These eye bolts are used as static and permanent lift points on machinery and other metal surfaces and objects. They're drop forged for uniform grain and made from strong carbon steel for a long service life. Check out our guide to eye bolts for best selection and installation practices. Our customers use ProLift machinery eye bolts for short-term or permanent suspension in warehouses and lifting heavy and dynamic loads like pick-and-place boxes, machines, workpieces, and storage crates, as well as anchoring for guy wires and cable suspension assemblies. Choose from regular sizes ranging from 1/4 to 1 inch diameter and 1 to 2.5 inches in length, and from metric sizes from M6 to M10. Working load limits range from 650 to 13,300 pounds. Each bolt's thread specs are found in the spec sheet on their respective product pages. When it comes to lifting machinery, ProLift machinery eye bolts are your trustworthy rigging solution. Shop machinery eye bolts at E-Rigging.com.